Sanibonani bafethu, and this is your boy uKatlego Ntaliana Mula aka uMnteso Tukafele Mutsiba aka Mr. Cool himself. Intana Semakhonji la Plumutsuzi la Giacomo Puti. I was born in Soweto but my soul lives in Italy. That's why they call me Intariana bafethu. Welcome to Ikasi Levukile, your number one favorite show. Soweto, Mkonti, Condom Sotra, Nagomaya Makasi Jigelele, esingawabizanga ngegama. Namhlanje all about the talks zasekasi, ghetto heroes, what's the life is happening like us, even the music industry, because you can't leave you hanging. I see Babe Sifakele Mandin in Peselinja Amge. Oh,
Luciano, first black Italiano. Actually, we're taking it back to the curve, yeah? So it is a podcast. Many cast, but we Vosicasi, going on. That's Vosicas in jail. That's what's up. And that's what it's going to be until it is.
yes, sir.
But we go for cast.
Yes, sir.
So what it is, Don?
I saw you in the last episode, which we did nice. Shout out to that one.
Hala.
This time Chakatwala could not make it.
Yeah.
When is it space but then there's a but expect with a corner. Another episode to Zobala. So you know the first question in page. Monvo and Page Fanda Gonzagale. Before Fegala.
What I think it's the same difference as we chat with same old day, just a different thing like us.
Yeah.
There's a rotation of the same movement without any difference.
Yeah.
So I don't think you're going to eliminate, I'm going to gap. Which actually I need to come up with a school after school program, you know what I'm talking?
Yeah.
I need manager from 8 till 2 o'clock.
Sharp.
Irresponsibility of my is going to be guarded when under guardianship, and then from 2 till 6, majority will say so they home alone and stuff.
Yeah.
So that's when all the bull stuff happens.
Yeah.
Nonsense ends like that because that's when kids are by themselves, they're unguarded. So then it's to be okay, there's room for me to actually reach out there. Social development office.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, like TK. No, when you're in Penny Pazas, but Casilon Ketty, so it's a Kamuka. There's a social development office in Casilaco. I was Maria's. Lavoko Kowaholum de Nicona, like Spana Konama social work. The social ill that we have right now, my drugs in, is because there's no activities, there's no CSIs happening, there's no. So the school after school program is something in Bonago. There's need for it, Yeah, keep them busy from that time to 6. By the time back cartel, Bazabayo Pesana and Aboma. Unlike Bashabana 2 hours, 4 hours, where they buy a floatant, they end up doing this
because there's too much
the idle mind. So the focusing is we need to get rid of idle minds. So how do you get rid of idle minds? By getting them created, sports programs, that we have the funds for all of that in our social development offices with all of those resources. We're just not reaching out, you know.
Yeah.
So we need to reach out. So we need to set up an example for us actually reaching out there. I'm going to sit there. So when you end the managing director, so we come in as brothers.
Yeah.
So as brothers, we like brothers for life.
Yeah.
So what can a brother do for a brother to a brother? So the best thing I can do is reach out. Instead of making brother feel judged or I've been feeling that man, I'm isolated. Instead, I'm reaching out as a brother saying, okay, let's take these steps together. I think by now in time, let's take this step. It's many brotherhood camp. I'm talking.
Yeah.
We're camp and actually magic. We're taking a brother, an older G with a youngin. I need to any levels over Pambe.
Yeah.
There's room for me to actually get that. We can only pick that by going AK. That's where we get them. Yeah, and we can only introduce it to a channel. Career choices.
Because that's a very important thing because when I want to about my career.
Yeah,
but he accept the guy food.
Accept the guy food.
I'm
a failure already like now he or she is continuing.
Yeah, like in my favorite parents, and I'm in favorite parents.
I'm in favorite parents. The one you know, Blackbird, the municipal kicking up the curve because we're changing the mindset. So we're reaching out to schools. The aim is to get these grade 9 students before by grade 10 by choose a subject that's stupid of comments good for you what do I love? What am I about? What is my interest? So if I take a career of this direction, what am I going? Is it something they're not going to sustain? So still with love what you do and do what you love.
Yeah.
So when we focus on the kids' passions, what are they passionate about? As someone instill with yani because of crema. We crema gonza.
Yeah.
We crema with we are Jersey from Devon, we are Jersey.
So as element what you are saying between and getting something. Kabanga if we buy like mongela grade 10
Yeah.
And it's money so we have social the topic about social development.
Sure.
We're buying full of abantu down with yin and so so we are answer so beg again. Mina bese ngicaba umntwana kwazi ukukhetha ukuthi ufuna ukuba yini and then go create.
Ngayifunayo ubaba ke amfundisa yona umama kamwenzi sayo.
Indefuna uye personal sesikhuluma ngomuntu
mina ngikhuluma ngabantu abafuna into yabo passion.
Yeah, uyangithola mina
ngikhuluma
ngomuntu
focusing on passion.
Yeah, umuntu ayazi
ngale nto le
ukuthi ufuna.
Alright.
Uyangithola. Like lo muntu lo masekengena grade 10. Sekayawazi ama subject awakhethayo. So I was thinking for us to limit ukuthi abantu bangasespani. So abantu bangasebenza. Why don't you have like a program whereby like most ngena grade 10. Angithi siyazi ukuthi bonke ngena grade 10 ukwenza science.
So science course
what lo ufuna ukuyenza. Then kuza amaphepha whereby niyafila. It's more like bayancasha mara uzoqashwa uma ucitha grade 12.
Uqashwa kanjani?
Like melo pass angithi ugena
you know this loss.
Yeah,
so qasha abantwana.
Izomi mina.
No, that's child labor.
Abasebenzi mamela. Abasebenzi. Umntwana ungena grade 10. Angithola. Grade 12 akahlali. Because this job into ezibhayo uzozumuntu usiswa mina grade 12
I'm taking a gap year.
Yeah, usiswa mina grade 12 barumfake phansi kombheda hayi ngizosicedela isikole. So besibaqasha ka grade 10 mara hayi ukuthi bayasebenza. Kumele bafunde ukuthi mabaqeda but bazi ukuthi mabaqeda sebanomsebenzi.
What is umsebenzi wami?
Kuya ngokuthi career choice.
So that's why there needs to be a career day and a career expo. Career, different types of careers they exposed. Majority in Ghana are careers, but about the common careers, you know. I want to be a policeman, a lawyer,
footballer,
a doctor, a teacher, a footballer. Yeah, they go as far as that. About quantity surveying, there's so many careers about
Hey,
so we reach out to the great ones, like the sitters, the moment sitter, all the sitters will be part of that. Expose on like, what is your interest? It's like throw it out there. Then when I was skating, everyone of interest were like whether music, entertainment, we are there. It isn't just a multimedia, see they are all around. Whether audio, visual, we all in there, like it or not.
Yeah.
So we educate these kids about all their interests. They'll find where their passion is, and then some of them will just identify with me and Tanda. Then we start grooming that type of generation. And break this generational curse carrier now, because it's 20 generational curse better, and we got nothing to do with it, you see?
Yeah,
so it's my duty as an AG to guide you, because your flaws are my fucking responsibility.
Yeah, this is what I think about Pambi.
Without a doubt.
Ne, so via social development, for umuntu esekhasi nje ongayazi.
When every class like to prove in a social development.
Yeah.
A social development, it's where you find them social workers, they work there. For us, socially, every social ill we have, our social ill right now, currently it's drugs. I want to socially, drugs.
Yeah.
The social development office there is where we need to reach out. But I want to go, you submit a toilet rehab or whatever. No, you go there for every complaint. They have the funds, they have the resources, they have everything you need with Baksize, with whatever you have in socially. Whatever ill you have, you don't go to the wards and see the offices, what 29, 14, 27. No, you're losing it. You have a social ill, you go to the social development office. these offices, kunemali ehlala ifakwa la every year, hand in there for us.
Manje,
No need to government. You people complain about government, but they don't understand what governing is and what it means to govern and what the government has done for us. Government does a lot, and it's just people doing their own thing. But my mess and taking things out of proportion. But then we don't just put the point on the person who did the flop. We want to generalize it. From a city scheme, if you play me coaching, the coach is the one who makes you in the field. You understand?
Yeah.
It's one of that. It's like we need to get that paradigm shift mentally, because must not shift to that mental state. So shall I sigule stagnance, and stagnance means you're going nowhere slowly.
I made a matter.
Make sure.
Yo, so njengoba ukhuluma nje awuthathe lokushini awuthathe ikhathi abantu besikhathi abazazinda. So that's why sithi ikhathi livukile yabo. We are here to teach you about things ongazazi zikhathi and here to enlighten you about things ongazazi zasikhathi. So le mali le social development abantu abaningi bangayazi kanje iyakuphi?
Yeah, to the social development office. It's waiting for you people to reach out and come say, this is our social air. What can you do? Then they'll give you whether Leo's situation, Leo is a drug addict situation. That person needs medical for money. For good women, I see why you train on my drugs and all of that. You know, they involve soccer, they involve like all of that. They're just waiting for you to reach out. So we cannot really blame box. You need to be educated, don't you?
Yeah.
You need to know what the purpose of the social development is. Maya la pezo no na paya la popo ko ka ba khola khonumdend.
Yeah.
Wena ucabanga ukuthi kusemndendini la. Ucabanga ukuthi iphelele emndendini.
Mara lo ngicabanga ukuthi ukhola umndeni kuphela.
Mara kuna social work.
Yeah, sure.
Ayenza ama social work. Yini sponsor ama social work. What is the purpose as social workers? Social network.
They work for the social.
Precisely. So we need to reach out and say, I have a social ill, I have a social problem.
Yeah.
This is my problem. They will not know because they can't reach out. They can't come to you. You have a social no, it doesn't work like that.
Social worker like
counseling, someone who actually is going through something that Tina there's something that he or she is doing in a violent in the social the waste pillar. So we're saying this person needs to be dealt with. That's why those segregated institutions. It's for things like that. So every cast, Orlando, criminal law, social development office, every cast in a social development office that you need to reach out at, monkeying about drugs I'm sure, and you don't know how to reach out. You go there and then social work. If you see like lecture is chatting you see Yabantwana Sasa, immediately Sasa cut my cajella, and they're out for days. These type of shows, if you got a complaint in the bottom, you go to the social development. But if you pay and Indians are so, there's a evaluate the situation, but from point is it true? But I want to okay, very low, una 6 to see. Fungonza, Lamawi, Yamaga, Hamba, you Jangala, we are you Jagatul. Magakatana Basala, no Coco, I'm going to Coco Minaba, Lavantona, Malia Kiomden. You see, it's a social ill. So they intervene in a way with okay. Either they're gonna take the card from her, when I'm tired, excess with a really malicuma, them shiny selling Maliaga government is Lalas Kalangai. I try to buy little Uko community English cigar. Because that is a social problem. Because Uko Magasin Navandana needs. Everybody is in complaints. Because we look in our shop and our money. Is in it, but it's affecting us social.
Yeah, so it's a social effect.
So all of those social ills, we reach out to the social development office.
So I think now you understand about the social development office. So make sure if you have anything that's social that you need, like if you need social worker, just go. It's not about maybe I'm checking on the pale. kunezinto ezibhaya ezenzakalayo lapha yabona. Talking about social, then let's hop into the music a little bit. Then bail application Gashebeshit has been denied allegedly. I just saw it on the internet. What do you think about the court case and the scenario and the lifestyle of Gashebeshit? Do you think he deserves to be arrested or he deserves bail?
It is what it is, man. No cap.
Now talk to me.
I ain't saying much. Shut up! I ain't saying much. Yeah, it's Tegonomics, man. Tegonomics, you know? Tegonometry. It is what it is, Baba. I ain't gonna say much. Hey, I put another page here about Truaba, Papa, or Pushisha. Hey, you don't get to come, Quano. So, who is ever a nick up of young born and another? It's just that you people take things out of proportion. So, it is what it is.
Out of proportion, like that. They take things out of proportion, like that.
Nah, I'm fit. People.
People.
Let's carry on like Celine Dion.
Yeah.
I don't want to. I'm following Ganja. I'm not green on my god because I'm not gashi. Gashi meaning I'm prima manga. Hi, Baba.
So,
look at me, I'm city. I'm not gonna lie. How do you lie city?
Oh.
You tell me. You lying, but you are city. Don't make sense. How can you make grants if you can't make sense?
So you say you were not paying or the Sabazon where?
When if you were actually a member of the council and you were given privilege to actually make a decision, you could Lumundulo, is he fit to go back into society or not? When what was your final decision going to be for? Knowing the whole ruling, understanding the whole story. I mean, so yes. So how did you get there? When? What would your final response be?
Yeah, the pendulum.
One that is actually fair
when I'm
to society.
When I'm pendulum.
Because I'm fully good.
Why?
I'm fully good if I not really prove from my own mouth.
No,
because I'm not a horse.
It's speculation.
I'm expecting no one want to learn over there. These lights are too bright. You know? I don't have a spare anything, dog.
No, I hope I'm a chance for you. Everybody
deserves a second chance.
Especially if in a society may accept it because we're in a march. Everybody deserves a second chance. And now, guys, because I see a lot of people talking about like the victim. But also with this meeting, a family victim, no victim. I don't understand. Yeah, the victim that got shot. Yeah. So we were so now the white man yeah.
Sure.
So
we need to pass condolences and respect to them first.
Yeah.
So many really it's not caught but they still feel
Yeah.
Yeah, it was unexpected. Yeah, it's isn't as understanding.
And what there's something wrong at Telecom. Then Shandesh was involved in a car accident. So when an artist Telecom helped and the manager and the little combo man, look to them a masango, like a pie.
You are my ritual.
There's a woman podcast if they are my
ritual, but you love it.
Yes, what is a ritual?
We're going to buzz of him to do now. And I have a shabba eating. As Pashang speaks, danger. So I can in them for the way in your era, this was the same thing that you are facing. It's always been there. We just
like the number of
that you believe in faith, yeah. Is it really happening? Or is it speculations? Or is it publicity stunts? Or are they what is the reason and purpose behind the action? If I'm an artist and I'm going to actually carry a weapon, but before all of that thing, there's a team you might actually make such decisions with.
Yeah.
You don't just make a decision on whatever how it goes. Yeah. So if it's over and with Intariana also Puma la Hambela Abambe 38 then go to a public place, then I decided with being part of the sikho uzovela flash electric kunyiwe. Then is it viable, and are we well planned? Do we know what we're doing? Are we sure that we're looking for numbers in that sense with best cars out there? Like it's something laid out, because it comes, there's a build up. I want to say, tell us anything a toy.
Yeah.
So what are we basically saying about public displays, public routes, public liability? According to there's laws and bylaws that you need to abide by.
Yeah.
Irrespective. Dallas came in. Dallas mama trade and then he was born in the trade stage.
Nah. Let's talking about that in terms of by judging looking for a mobile carrier ship. I want to yazi. Nah. What do you think was lacking as a team?
Discipline.
Someone to put discipline on him.
Yeah, there was just him. He needed to discipline himself, because he knows, like, he's a thug, man. He should know better. I'm saying he should have known better. When you know better, you do better.
Yeah.
It's like if you watch American Gangster, you understand.
Yeah.
You see, like, what gets these niggas caught is them actually getting caught up with the excitement and the hype and the hype behind the name. And when the fame can reach you, it's deadlier than drugs. But once it gets into you, you sort of like forget what made you where and how.
Yeah.
And you sort of go a position where now you're exposing things you're not even supposed to. And then that's not what you wanted. You need to lie low when you do your things under cheese. Go with G's, real stuff.
Yeah.
And they go under G.
Yeah.
Because they know what they do in his own what raps.
Yeah.
So more clever, you'll do something smart, but if you're not clever, you'll do a stupid move. And that stupid move is how you're gonna learn how to be clever.
Yeah.
So you learn from experience. So you end up in jail. So going in jail simply means you were not clever and you didn't make a clever move. That is why you ended up being in prison. But since Uda, you are there just to regather, regroup and regain yourself and come back from the university of the school of life and come back much better than you did, because you learned your lesson and now you're much better than you did before you went there.
Yeah.
It's all about what you did wrong, accepting it, acknowledging it, and then moving on from it. That's how you grow. If I pity with those principles and with that mental road, how will you in that war? And you're stuck in a mental war with yourself, and you're always going to self-destruct.
No. So, hoping on the music thing again. I'm awards if it's win. Zingumalo was nominated 7 times. Agawina next. Caesar won something, and they say there was Payola involved. Like there's Payola involved.
I always tell that they've been told.
How many people you know about Tengama Awards besides Tina?
There's people who go all out, they campaign. That's how you manage to buy your awards.
How so?
There's awards that are not really worth buying. Maybe best come up. What genre? Those awards, they don't need people to vote in. But there's one where it's about Song of the Year. There's those awards where, like, as a record label, big such as Ghetto Rap, for instance, put it out there, you know. And then you sort of with artist Yamum Zolisto is nominated, and now he's nominated for Song of the Year, Album of the Year, whatever, all the big nominations, and it's all put out there prior to the awards. What they do is they campaign, they go around buy for people. Go around, push up on airtime, vote, they go all out, they campaign actually, we're going to budget, okay, we're going to give out, we're going to spend 100,000 or 200,000 just on airtime, just giving to people randomly just to make sure that they log on. Like, no people who do that, and no who does that, it's who campaigns. And that is why TS was actually successful, because he went all out for his artists. That's why they really love to actually be that big, even though they really listen to Battle Awards, but they end up getting it that way.
Battle Awards?
Yeah, but that's the only way to
Lebo Sbu.
Tears.
Balisa ma-awards.
Oh, la bantu bayana mfuthu. La bantu they were the biggest artists, but then
So
this award ceremony.
Kwenzakalani?
I know they were hating on the artists. Only artists. Multiple diseases get the biggest song, huge, mega song.
Yeah.
Market what is the total muntu sinamazi singazi ready.
Hey mfethu. Ikayenzeka le ngi-31 ngakhala ingoma yaseNatal.
You see, because people say,
Kwenzeke.
I think for the fact that they ngizoshaya isibunja. Ah no, lokho ngizakutsekela sibaka imithi laba sekhu bayima. Okay. So the Payola, that's how it works, man. You work to grow and break the brand. For the fact that you beat Sbu, it puts Sbu on another scale because now he's gonna have mega publicity after that. Even the people that look after about with him, can I come get an interview? They now want to talk to him. So how does it feel? You and nobody. When it's yeah. But yeah, the extra mile were Payola to make sure that they beat you.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the price you pay, man. And everybody's got the price in the game.
Ne. So awungitshele judging by your own opinion, like cabanga kwakho ukwazi kwakho. Lama award deserve abantu abanjani, like and umbona ukuthi uyadeserve le award. Because
every album liya ngesikhathi, yabona liya ngetime with nabo bayakutshela ukuthi okay, these awards are for albums that were released from this period to this period. That is why there's a closing date where you need to submit the albums. You have to submit the album. I'm available up cat, but no, you need to be registered, you need to have an album that is out there, you need to have certain registration, and you need to be a productive artist. But when it's okay, you are participate. And this is type of computer, no, the biggest song of the year.
And the way, yeah, quite a win as.
So they take Ziaya that one of my radio stations like like we are looking how big is it in the station?
Yeah.
What we call airplay.
Yeah.
You see, you cannot just for you to get airplay on the radio station. Good. There's common in London. You can't just have your song recorded like that record. No, your song must be mixed and mastered. First and foremost, my wife figure good airport. My pella good like go back. It needs to, you know, okay, it can be radio playable. And I call Ugutin could Lingo one on radio doesn't make your song a playlist. You need to sit down with the radio compiler and the station manager to decide with okay boy. Here, when you come with 4 songs, they choose the song that they say, okay, this is the one that we play to. And the presenters, most DJs, labaya, about Mabona, go radio, hey, this is team. Man, those people are not playing those songs. They are presenters. They are just talking. Their music, they are compiled by a music compiler.
Sure.
We will decide so we're a playlist. So for your song to get on the playlist, you need to get it with that name. The compiler. So he's gonna say, okay, this song of yours, he passes the status that we can play it on our station. So if you Payola anybody, you Payola the music compiler with the radio station. You don't compile the DJ or the presenter or nigga or the manager. Those people are meaty. You go to the guy who does the decision of putting it in.
Yeah.
That's how you get your song played. So you Payola this panel, so that's how you Payola your airplay. So your airplay is gonna determine whether you are in your song. Qualified with Bangafaka Google Song of the Year. How are you gonna be on Song of the Year if we ain't never heard your song?
Yeah, go.
I spy. Melody airplay. Melody. That's why people have a hype. Yo, Song of the Year is about one between who and who. Because you know this song, you've heard I mean, I'm gonna go yo, then go my leg.
Yeah.
Everywhere. That's the hype about it.
But the thing about award, the hype is not there anymore. Because
the music is not beautifully rich anymore.
I think it's the
nonsense. I blind mother. No realize besides the Payola, even if you listen to the radio station, majority of the content that is being to do with the broadcast, the radios and the TVs and the broadcast is always going to be there. It's actually on naked space.
Yeah.
It's about what are we delivering. So now, ingoma zamanje, they like bubblegum 2-second song and they all monotonous, they are fana, like you can't differentiate them. That is why ikubani hype, ikubani like I'm told like aguna significant something doing with you, the song. When last did you have yo lengo machu?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. So if you do not deliver quality music, you're gonna have unqualified. Mina mpintshana angibazi mina abantu abasha kuleke. I retired 2006 when Zulu Minati hit it when I came back from New York.
Yeah.
Yes. Me, I choose to work for God, so I said, Zulu Minati.
I saw a clip. I saw a clip. Alleged. I saw a clip. Bonota, he was on a show speaking about being an intern on Parapin.
Yeah.
And he spoke about Angazi Ubani Smacks or whosoever.
Sugar Smacks and
alleged.
There's no allergy.
No,
they don't have allergies. Smacks doesn't have allergies.
Oh yeah, him.
Smacks does have. Slicker does have allergies. Yeah, he's got sinuses.
Yeah. So Angazi, he was on a clip saying, "Ubanban impregnated Ichiriga Banban." Go your crew there, like. You should only clip like any like I was like.
Is it a recent thing?
Why is it a recent thing? Like why? But between somewhere there.
Let's see 2 inches now.
Yeah.
Let's go is inches now. Yeah. And his body is scaly. Those are my niggas. So now I'm out and you must count the words.
So I'm telling you. What's the difference this guy take us via this podcast, like via the podcast? Because since I want to look, she knows fun and that.
Information. The aim is to inform you with teaching you how to be teachable, so you can teach yourself how to teach.
Yeah.
The aim is to keep growing.
Yeah.
The purpose is you learn. Whatever content that we give out is to make sure we are carriers from whatever we say. Whether you look at it now or later, but for the fact that you know and you heard it from us, the sources. Man, I'm the grand source. Don't let the young face fool you, nigga. Going 45 straight up there and 5 years to 50, and you can't even say it because I sipped from the fountain of youth by choosing God's way, So at the end of it all, it's in the show with you. You're not just a mortal, but your mind, body, and soul is in one place. So once we get your mind, body, and soul in one place, then you'll be productive and live your life's purpose. The aim is for each and every one who is in the gutter to find their life's purpose.
Yeah.
Whether you're in the gutter or not, because that's where it all blossoms from.
Yeah.
It has to start in the dark before the light. So one can't do without the other, balancing everything. So it kasi. Melil vuye.
Yeah,
Melil bad lezi zinyane. Dark people have been doing the dark.
Okay, because another thing that I wanna raise via Udak.
Yeah.
As what judge, but you are raised.
Dark means you are in the dark.
Okay,
Ayi umuntu omnyama wabona mina sabantu abamnyama. Mara udark umuntu ongabhadlanga, umuntu
okay.
You in the dark.
Okay.
Udark.
Ngingasibiza udark bafethu.
Yeah, mabizi umuntu udark, ukhuluma ngomuntu ongabhadlanga.
Yeah, mara
in the dark. I'm told.
Sikhuluma
Slima wena fasi Slima. Johnny come to jail.
Mara umuntu obukelele episode manje sekavukile. Asikhulume ngalento le. Confidence kaDark. Confidence yomuntu omnyama. Like abazali bay understand ukuthi like just ukutshela umntana wakho ukuthi ugcoke kahle. Boost the confidence yakhe kangakanani. I feel like kunentwana ezibhaya ezenza izinto ne. It's not because bafuna ukuzenza. They not confident enough. Ukuthi bangadapta kwezinye izinto. Yeah.
Sure.
Yini mabakutshela ukuthi we failure every day. Then nase strategy mofika kuze umuntu akutshele ukuthi awinja igame. Inhliziyo yakhe izowela fa.
Yeah.
Kulo
Umuntu wasestrateni.
And lo wasestrateni wenza into ezirong. Akubonisa ukuthi umntana yami ngiyabuya bhayiseke endlini. Mina ngake ngisa 2 begrand uphume endlini yo rent like a room. Ube grand living. Then that's how we start ama criminal abakhona. So I want us to focus on that, like itori zasekhaya mfethu whereby abazali they are doing wrong but abanotice nabo. Uthi kunomzali uyayenza mara ka notice ukuthi creator.
Yena usitshela ukuthi wenzele umntana wakhe, uthanda umntana wakhe. Utshela ukuthi yena they doing it out of love kanti it's it's like yazi umzali athi uspoil umntana wakhe. Because umntana ngiyamspoil. You're not paying attention to what you really say. Because in retrospect, what you're basically saying is, Mina, I am rotting my child. Mina umntana mnyambolisa. So meaning uvuma umntana kayenza into eziphume endleleni, even though uyazi ukuthi le nto ayenzayo iphume endleleni. You're supposed to rectify your child, but then because of when uzitshela ukuthi wena you have so much love, umntana ko uyambolisa. You rot your child purposely. That's what that parenting nonsense is about. Spoiling my children. No. There needs to be a level. There needs to be a limit. As much as the parent may never be close, but there comes a point in time where you need to put your foot down by not being physically affecting it. But it may with the where you put your foot down, where you gotta differentiate now. Many obeying firm. Not affirmative acting, but firm. We tell my things you like and things you don't like. Parenting is a very big, huge thing, which we fail. Yes, I don't think the school of parenting.
I think
we need to develop the school of parenting.
Yeah,
where
how to
it's
be
all
a
about what makes you a good parent.
Yeah.
It's not about your money, bro.
Yeah,
because money don't make money. Money don't make a man. Man makes the money. So it's all in what you do with your money. Because one man we pay.
Because namanje wezwa lento engelezi like ovela utshela umntana wakho nje ukuthi yazi ugcoke kahle kanjani umuhle mntana like uyazi ukuthi
how many kids can say mina umama
muthe ukuthi ngiyemuhle and yeah should know
or I'm proud of you mawenze something that is admirable umzali I acknowledge those type of things he's in this counter when it comes to confidence in us but abazali do we know that
no thina sebaxeke wena lento edom and the moment uthi lento edom uzoba dom
sure uba yilento and then it's your curse mzali because life and death is in the power of the tongue.
Yeah.
And you done said it with your very same tongue, the very same one that you dress up for on Sunday, Mario Sonto, Ufigu Timudu. Come back Monday. Where is what? You curse with the very same mouth that was praising. What do you call that? I call it hypocrisy. It's not a bad thing, it's just imbalance. That is why you can't hide behind the thumb. Uzalile. Ukuzala. Zalo. Inzalo. Khambelana noku. But if akunathanda kuloko okuzele, then kufana nokuthi uyangama uzobuya ngenyanga. Mele uyizele. Ingakho umdala yathi khamizi wakho.
Should Melizele. If I have an opportunity, if I find basic Melizele.
Sure. And what you invest, where you plow.
Yeah. So I was speaking with this guy like man in 3 days back. We were speaking about like when we buy Nzo. Yeah, mom we buy Nzo. Nkanana lacha ikunza funya tsafu garage. Ngizithi Megan man ngicaba kunyephava. Avele into mevele la uthi yami hayi man ama Italian hayi yasiyaringa yabo skipana ethi hayi ngimnandi shosho kwenzakala zona yabo hey siyaringa isidinga sisideba too deep yabo athi amphethe emhlabeni mntana yami ngibone something onganyazi umuntu yabo athi yabona umuntu mfethu ungalinga umnyazi yabo manje mina ngithi unganyazi umuntu kanjani nathi bheke kwenzakalani kunele outer diploma yekhoneni yabona yiyekhoneni ngize khoneni va athi la ekhoneni la mangithi awala emakuleni ngithi ya feli kambe athi yabona le outlet diploma la yabona le tuck shop le yamagoda le beyisha yangithola yazi lo tuck shop yamagoda icimo ngobani yila abantu abablome la
those same people
so wena ubona abantu abablome ekhoneni lithi yansebenza indlela angithi bafethu nani ningasipali
sure
but I just want to show the importance yomuntu
yeah
la khona ekhaya
kule concrete jungle we need each other. So, nonsense, guys. To some degree, they need it to some people. Because for it takes them seeing a mood. So some of them have to do the stupid things they do only just to on how not to be easy to stupid.
Yeah.
And only choose a path that they submit to, you know? Because it can better. You live up to your name. If you're not living up to your name, Pinamanga. And about Pinamanga, they're not going anywhere.
Yeah.
Or Pinamanga, trust and forget. You're going nowhere slowly. So, first and foremost, know what your name means. The meaning of your name is your real purpose. If you're not living up to your name,
I say so. What's the meaning of your name?
God's will.
Oh, God's will.
Tata ya mudini.
Oh, shout out God's will.
God's will
means success.
Success.
Yeah.
Yeah, how Chris Ka, Ramantiva Shira, Umitabu Shira, Angazari, Kazo Shira, Tina Sasha, Ramudi. We go way back, come on. Like I always tell these people in Bana, don't let the young face fool you. Man, OG, man. I'm OG, swag it up. I'm OG, swag it up. Papa from the bottom up. Now let OG swag it up. I swear to God, I can say nothing on the track and get you turning up. My papa.
No.
Kasil Fuga.
So, Fate, don't forget to like. How many minutes, Fate?
40 minutes.
Take care, Fate.
Don't
Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comment down below. What is Soweto? Say to Fate. To everybody who's watching, like us, Fate, please know Fate. Kasil Fuga like Paramisela. Kasil Fuga Case nawe. Kasil Fuga Case in Tandas when in Fate. Ungaphela amandla, ungaphela umoya. Keep on pushing Mvana. Whatever that you wanna be, uzoba yiyo mfethu.
Yeah.
Ama chance awapheli. Thilo ni stop ukuthatha ama chance. Ungamameli ukuthi umuntu athini. Focus konto efunayo, i-future isezandleni zakho. Mina ngegama bangibiza uKatlego, bathi umntaleyana, uMr Sotho kwavele Motsiba, aka Mr Cool himself, intwana seMakhonji, la Blomotsosi, like Jia Konipoti, mangithi Soweto, nina sikhethu, awuthuka uno bathini bala.
Bathi Thilo vithi Luciano first black Italiano, uyazi. Soweto kamkana kaufela rikao la
Soweto, put some confidence in your kids. Put some confidence in your kids.
Yeah, man. Make
so
sure
so
that we can raise them better.
Yeah, no, bangathi gqoke kabi. Mari uyazi ukuthi mama muthi gqoke.
Compliment them. Yeah, yeah. Ukaye was supposed to encourage.
So nibona the next episode bafethu. Peace out to the outside.
Mara yinendo bona thina ngeke sibone nina mara sitheli so nibona next time.
So mabonana.
Sibonile.
Dago.